So today I'm doing a walk around on my 2016 Yamaha YZF-R6. I'm just going to go through a little bit of the aftermarket stuff that's done to it and why this bike's so sick. So first of all, I tinted this windscreen with this VHT nightshade stuff. We got some aftermarket levers. Got frame sliders on both sides and tinted flush mount turn signal. Got an M4 full exhaust. Well, at least the Y pipe back in there, and the muffler. Not sure if they're aftermarket headers or not. They look kind of like they might be. And then it's got just the stock taillight for now with some blinkers, LED blinkers on the side. That is it, but more to come in the future for sure. We're gonna do a little startup. Hasn't been started in a solid week or two. It's winter here. Pretty mint. Now that she's warm, give it a little sound check. So this 16 is the last year of this body style of the R6. Came with about 115 horsepower to the crank, about 43 to 45 foot-pounds of torque, and it is seriously a ripper. It's pretty sick. Revs up to like 16,500 RPMs. Freaking screamer. Has adjustable suspension, front and rear, really nice brakes, 180 tire in the rear, pretty sick. So some upgrades that needs to happen for sure. Some LED headlights, probably integrated tail light, maybe a couple carbon fiber pieces, but that's about as far as I want this street ripper to go. Would be sick to get it on the track, but for now, just riding down the street. And this thing came with the matte gray. It's freaking awesome. Some sparkle in it. Originally bought this bike for my wife, who wanted to ride with me. She started out on Grom. Why not switch it up to a 600cc Super Sport? Oh, thing's sick. Yamaha for life, for sure. So right here's the OG 16 Yamaha FZ-07 that I started out on after I had a Grom myself. This is my first real bike. First big boy. It's got 689cc inline 2, parallel twin, whatever you want to call it. And it's got a lot of aftermarket stuff done to it. So we'll start on that. So first of all, it's got an Amazon FZ-07 windscreen little thing. It's got the same turn signals as that bike there. Tinted LED. It's got FZ-07 levers. Aftermarket CRG style mirror from Amazon. And, it's got a ram mount that I don't have on there right now. It's got Shogun frame sliders, some random Amazon axles in the rear and the front and the rear. This one's got an LED bulb down here, but that one went bad, so I put the stock one back in it. It's got the FZ-07 Amazon radiator guard, M4 slip-on exhaust, of course. Gotta go with M4s with these. Sounds so sick. It's got a integrated tail with sequential blinkers, and it's got a Yoshimura fender eliminator, license plate bracket with light, LED light. Got an Amazon shifter, blacked out a little. Pretty sick. This bike's a blast, and it does some dank wheelies for sure. This armor gray and high vis neon yellow wheels is definitely my favorite color of the FZ they ever have made. The OG. It's definitely the fastest color. So instead of the crappy stock tires on these things, I put the Michelin Road 5s. They got a dual compound tread with softer in the side and harder in the rear, or in the middle, and they're super good in the rain or any weather really. Rear one looks cool. These things are sick. They rip for sure. So we're gonna do a first startup right here. Cold start. Definitely gonna have to do a couple future videos on these once we can get them watched. It's my mother-in-law's Series Gray WRX. A few things done to it. It's pretty sick. And this is me and my wife's 2008 Evo X GSR. That thing's a 6-speed manual too, but this thing pretty quick. Got the little Danger Ranger over there.
Someday.
Thing's got a 350 in it. 71. It's a GMC 350 long bed. Get that thing running and new tires, drive it around. Pretty sick. Yeah. That's what it's like trying to wash your car when it's below freezing outside. That damn thing. Forgot to mention this one's got Power Commander 5 and a snorkel delete on the intake. These bikes, always gotta be storing them on trickle chargers in the winter time. I put 91 ethanol free in both of them before the winter. Changed the oil on this one. That one didn't get a whole lot of miles, and put some rubber mats under them. Try to keep them up. If I had more room, I'd keep them on my stands, but I don't, unfortunately. But yeah, these things are sick. I love them. Can't wait for this springtime. Lots more videos to come. So definitely let me know what you guys want to see next. Whether it's a Subaru, Evo, bikes, truck videos, whatever. There's a Harley that normally goes here. It's pretty sick. And lots more stuff in the future. Snowboard, skateboard, do car shows, car meets, all sorts of stuff. So whatever you're into, comment, like, and subscribe this video, and we'll definitely get to it. Lots of mods, installations. Gonna start welding up here soon, get more tools and do lots of projects on everything. So definitely join if you want to see some cool stuff.